All right then, so how do we create an activity using Chat GPT? So we've got a lesson plan, we've got the kind of layout, but now we actually need something to show the students. So we've got lots of little things that we need to show them, different concepts such as, what does a variable look like? Now, personally, I've found a good approach to doing this is very simple. We need to know these basically, so we need to get examples of them and see what they are. So introduction to variables and constants, explanation of different data types, demonstrate how to declare and assign variables. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that and pop it over here. Now what I'm going to do is this then, provide an explanation of the below to a beginner. Now I'm gonna remove that, add that, and then probably keep the word demonstrate. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that and we're going to pop it into this lesson and run it. And here we go, we're getting some content now. You can do this with this whatever you want, really. It's be so simple to pop this onto a PowerPoint. So if you're big on PowerPoint, it's dead simple. Or if you use things like Nearpod, grab those little details and put them on your Nearpod or whatever else. But basically, find a way to get these across to people. If you've got an inclination, you could potentially even, I don't know, get the code and make posters, demonstrate this code, so you might even use this as a guide and then write the code in front of them. But let me just show you some of the key facts about this. So variables and constants are used in programming to store and manage data. So, we're hitting what a variable is, we're hitting what a constant is. Now, what you've got to remember is not really specifying a language because I didn't really ask it to. Now, however, with the JavaScript side, we're a bit more concise. We're saying these are the data types in JavaScript. And then heading through there, we've got declaration and assignment of variables. So actually how to use them. And we've got some examples of that. So, how we actually utilize this now, well, that's really up to you. So if you want to put it on a PowerPoint, then go put it on a PowerPoint. You might want to put this somewhere else. As I said, I'm not a big fan of PowerPoint. I prefer different ways to get information across. However, I don't want to be kind of saying everyone do it my way. What I want to do, however, is take that, and that's information that I can potentially use later on. Oh, it's not letting me copy it. Come on, copy. There we go. Right. And I can just pull that and deliver it in whatever manner I like, basically, and format it, tidy it up. If you like putting things on web pages, put it on a web page. Just, kind of remember that Chat GPT, you can't guarantee it's not plagiarized that, so don't try and peg it as your own work.